Wow, look at that. Here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Okay, try to fit them.
It's a bird.
You see it here? Try here. Is it here?
Princess.
Yeah, you did it. Okay.
Dolly.
Yes. Okay. How about that one?
And the secret. What is it?
No. Is it here? No. Turn around. If it doesn't work, turn it around. Maybe it works. Here. How about here? Try to move it here.
I think
Try to fit it here.
she's a
Maybe here.
Princess Dolly.
Here. Try.
Yeah. She's a
Push, push.
ballerina.
Like this. Maybe. No.
Ah, she's a
Here.
girl.
Oh no. Okay.
Ah.
Is it here? Try like this.
Where is
No?
Princess Dolly?
Oh no. Okay. How about here? Try.
Yes. Where is Princess Dolly?
Try to fit it first.
Oh,
it seems yes.
Princess
Turn it
Dolly
around, turn it
has
around.
What
Like
is
this.
it? What is the color of her hair?
No, maybe here. It was. Try here. Here.
Yeah, Princess Dolly has a brown.
Yeah. Yeah. You did it. Okay. Two more. Two more. Here. Where is it?
No, I think this is
No. Turn it around if it doesn't work. Turn it around.
because
Yes, maybe
Dolly
like
is
that.
a ballerina.
Is it there? Yes. Okay. Fit it. Fit it.
She's a Princess
Fit.
Dolly.
Press. Yeah. You did it. Give me a high five. Okay. Once more. One more. No. Turn it around maybe. Like that. No. Try. Like this maybe. Yeah! You did it! Nice, right?